In this video, we're going to show you just how easy it is to assemble our Juliette Double Wardrobe. All our wardrobes are supplied partially assembled in 2 boxes for easy access into the room of your choice. The Juliette wardrobe is handmade and designed by us, including the method of assembly. The assembly instructions are included with the product, but can also be found on our website under the product listing page. All our products can be assembled with the provided Allen keys and a standard crosshead screwdriver. When using an Allen key, hand tighten the bolts as much as possible first, as this will save you time. Before fitting, ensure the sides are orientated correctly. Start by taking the side with the open pole holder and orient it so that the groove along the long edge is visible. Next, insert the shelf, making sure the side with the struts is towards the base of the wardrobe. The pre-inserted dowels will help with alignment. Use 2x bolt-A to secure the pieces together. Take the other side panel with the closed pole holder and align it with the dowels on the other side of the shelf. Again, use a further 2x bolt-A to secure it in place. Carefully place the front door panels face down onto the floor, making sure you hold the doors shut as you lower it. Place the previous assembly carefully onto the door panels using the pre-inserted dowels for alignment. Secure with 8x bolt-A. Take the base of the wardrobe and align it with the pre-inserted dowels, lifting one side and then the other. Using 4x bolt-A, secure it in place. Further secure the bottom of the door panel with 4x screw-C, using a standard crosshead screwdriver. Carefully stand the wardrobe up onto its base, holding the door shut as you do so. Lower the top piece onto the wardrobe, aligning with the pre-inserted dowels. Secure in place with 4x bolt-A and 5x screw-C. You may find it easier to open the doors when securing the top in place. We recommend fitting the door handles at this stage. Insert the bolt through the door while simultaneously holding both the knob and ring, then tighten fully. Maneuver the back panel onto the wardrobe, making sure the line of the 3 additional holes are located on the uppermost part. Take this opportunity, before securing the panel, to check that your wardrobe doors are level. Both the top and bottom of each door should align, as well as the door handles themselves. Our wardrobes come with the doors pre-aligned and are designed with safety in mind, so all 4 feet will always touch the floor, no matter how uneven the surface. If, however, any further alignment is needed, you'll need to find the corner which best aligns the doors. This can be found by lifting each one of the corners in turn. Once found, hold the corner in place, whilst a second person uses 27x screw-B to finally secure the back panel in place. Check out our separate video for further information on aligning doors. To place the pole into the wardrobe, start by lifting one end into the top right-hand corner, above the open pole holder, and take the other end and insert it into the closed pole holder. Finally, drop the right-hand side into place. There you have it, the beautifully designed, handmade Juliette wardrobe. All our furniture includes a restraint that provides protection against tipping. Please see our accompanying video that demonstrates the installation process. We can of course arrange for our delivery team to assemble the wardrobe for you. If you would like this service, please contact us to arrange this for a small fee. To find out more information about this product or any of the other ranges from furniture.co.uk, please check out the links accompanying this video.